Hi children. Children, now we are going to see trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. This value you have to remember children. I will tell a memory tip also how to remember this one. Okay children. So we are going to study, going to know the values of all trigonometric ratios, that is 6 ratios for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. To be frank, it is also not noted to me. I also used to calculate these values with my memory tip. But some values you must remember. These two values you must remember children. Next values you can calculate. So for example, sin 0. Sin 0 value children 0. Sin 30 1 upon 2. Sin 40 1 upon root 2. Sin 60 or root 3 upon 2. And sin 90 1. This value you should remember children. Cos A, just opposite children. Start from here. Cos 0 1. Cos here for 30 root 3 by 2. This is same. Just come from that side. Now next 1 by 2. Next 0. Okay children, tan. Tan is what? Sin by cos. 0 by 1. 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 upon root 3. Here 1. Here root 3. Here undefined infinity. Because 1 by 0. Yes children. Cosec. You know cosec is inverse of sin A. So 1 by 0 undefined. 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by root 2, that is 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, and this is 1 by 1, 1. Now sec is the opposite inverse of this. 1 by 1, 2 upon root 3, next root 2, next 1 by 2, 2, and 1 by 0, infinity. Next cot. 1 by tan value is cot. So 1 by 0, undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 1. This is 0. Let me to cross check also children. Because these are the values. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Right, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. Next, not defined. Cos 30, cot 30, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Next, sec 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. And cosec 0, cosec undefined, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, and 1. Yes children, all values are correct. So children, these are the value to which you have to remember. To which you have to remember. I will tell one short trick also children for remembering the values of. One thing is clear that if you know the value of sine, cos value is here. For 0, 0. Here for 90, 0. Here for 30, 1 by 2. Here for 60, 1 by 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Next here, after that 60, it's a root 3 by 2, came here. See children, just reverse it. 0 here, 0 there. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 1. Is it not reverse? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Here 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Just our reverse values. Okay children, and once we get the sine and cos, we can find the tan as sine by cos. We can find cosec 1 by sine. We can find sec 1 by cos. We can find cot 1 by tan. But I will recommend to by heart the values. It is wastage of time. Of course you can find without any confusion. Just like alphabets A to Z, by heart these values, it will better and save your time. I will tell one memory tip also children. Suppose this is you have to find out sine value. So this is for 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Remember well. Let me rub this because you might have noted. Suppose small finger suppose these are finger, children. It is for sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. Okay children, first value nothing but here sine 0 starts from here 0, so 0 root 0 by 2, root of this value, root of 0 by 2. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Root 0 by 2. This is root 1 by 2. This is root 2 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. This is root 4 by 2. Is it children? Root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. Okay children? Right? Is it clear? Here sine 0, root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. How? Root 0 how much children? Root 0 is 0, 0 by 2, 0. Root 1 means 1, that is 1 by 2. Root 2 by 2, you know root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2. What you can write children? What you can write? In denominator you can write 2 as a root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancel, how much left? 1 by root 2. And here for sine 60, for sine 60, 0, root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90 children, root 4 by 2. Root 4 by 2. Root 4 is how much children? 2. 2 by 2, 1. That is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. These are the values. Is it not interesting? 0, root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. This is only for avoiding confusion in the exam. If you are confused about the value, just you go through that. Root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. If comes to cos, come from this. Start for here 0. For cos 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. For 0, come from here. Root 4 by 2, that is here. Here children, for cos 0 value is here 1. So root 4 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 1 by 2 and root 0 by 2. Same value children. For sine, this side to that side, cos, that side to this side. Is it not so easy? On this basis, we have to evaluate the given question. Means in terms of trigonometry ratio, these values will be given. We have to put the values of this and get a numerical solution of that. Okay children, so it is very easy. Remember this also, by heart the table, remind memory tip. For sine 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. For cos 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, root 4 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 0 by 2. This is from where you got the root 0. Number of finger minus 1. One finger, 1 minus 1, 0. So root 0 by 2. Second finger, 2 minus 1. That is root 1 by 2. Third finger, 3 minus 1, 2. So root 2 by 2. Fourth finger, 4 minus 1. Root 3 by 2. Here. Fifth finger, 5 minus 1, 4. So root 4 by 2 children. I hope you will by heart the values and see the memory tip also, such that we can solve the coming exercise problems. This is very easy children. This is the most easiest exercise, because if you remember the values, just you have to put the values, multiply, divide, add, subtraction, and you will get the answer children. Okay children. So children, in the trigonometric ratios of specific values, we have discussed all the values. That is all trigonometric 6 ratios. in terms of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, we studied their specific values. One thing here is to be noted that children, value of sin theta and cos theta, value of sin theta and cos theta, here it's a note children, value of sin theta and cos theta lie between 0 and 1. Means value of sin theta, if you see table, it starts from either 0 and ends to 1 or starts from 1 and ends to 0. So always value of sin theta and cos theta never be less than 0 or never be more than 1. Sometimes given that is the value of sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 exists. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means how much children? 3, 1 by 3. 1 whole 1 by 3. Is it not? So this value is more than 1. Is it possible? No. This value can never be more than 1. Sometimes it may be given minus 4 by 3 or minus 3 by 4. That is not possible because sin theta and cos theta value always lie between 0 and 1 children. Okay children? Now tan theta. Value of tan theta. Value of tan theta. What is the value of tan 0 children? Tan 0 is nothing but sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 is 0 by cos 0 is 1. 0 by 1 is a 0. So, and tan theta value, that is 0, 2. Tan 90, sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 is 1 by cos 90 is 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. So what you can say children? 0 to infinity means increases. Increases from 0 to infinity. Okay children? And next we come to cot theta. So value of cot theta. Its opposite. Cot theta. What happens? It's a inverse. Increases, decreases from infinity and goes to 0 children. Okay children? The case of cosec theta. Value of cosec theta. Sin theta lie between 0 and 1. Okay children? So sin theta value is sin 0 value is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And 1 by sin theta opposite. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. That is starts from infinity and ends to goes to 1 children. Goes to 1. So decreases from infinity to 1 children. Okay children? In case of sec theta, value of sec theta increases from 1 to infinity. This note you must remember children, because sometimes you will be asked in 1 marks to confuse you that is value of sin theta 4 by 3 exists, or like that question will be asked. So you must be having idea that sin theta and cos theta value lie between 0 and 1, and value of tan theta increases from 0 to 90, that is 0 to infinity, and cos theta decreases infinity to 0. Cosec theta and sec theta here just opposite. Cosec theta, that is infinity to 1, and sec theta 1 to infinity children. Okay children?